From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of losing the remote control to your adjustable bed? What a nightmare. Luckily, I've got a solution for you, the Hotsmtbang replacement remote control, a total game changer. This top-rated remote control is a bestseller, and for good reason. It's a highly rated and reliable product. If your model isn't listed, don't worry, the company can try to help you order the right one. Just provide them with your model and they'll take care of the rest. When you get the remote, you'll need to pair it with your bed, which is easy. Just press the head and foot up buttons at the same time, and you're good to go. I was surprised at how seamless the pairing process was, no programming required, just simple and straightforward. The remote control itself has a nice texture, it's not too heavy, and the buttons have a satisfying click to them. When you press the buttons, you'll hear a gentle beep, and the bed will start to move. It's really quiet and smooth. This remote control is perfect for controllable beds, and it's clear that many customers have purchased and reviewed this product. It's well reviewed and popular. I've used it to adjust my bed to the perfect position, and it's been a total lifesaver. I can finally get a good night's sleep. The remote is also really convenient. I can use it to adjust the bed without having to get out of it, which is a total win. In real life, this product has been a total game changer. I can use it to adjust my bed to watch TV, or to read a book. It's so versatile. It's also really easy to use. My grandma can even use it, which is saying something. Overall, I'm really happy with the Hotsmtbang replacement remote control. It's a reliable and convenient product that's definitely worth checking out, so if you as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.